I once did a flawless demo. My account manager had scheduled a demo for me on a Thursday and it was still a Tuesday. To make things worse, they wanted my product to interop with their product. I kindly requested from the customer to push it off by one day, and I used that Thursday instead of doing a demo. I wanted to go and see the customer, do a formal discovery, and maybe play around with their product so we can interop together and do a great demo on Friday. Nothing worked on their end. Now imagine 20 people sitting in the room waiting for you to get something going for them and nothing is working. Customers are usually not very forgiving. It's always your fault. But it wasn't. In the end, it turns out it was their product that wasn't working at all. We talked about what they need. I did a proper discovery. I understood what they're doing, why they're doing it, and why now. And then we came to an understanding that we will not do an interoperability test during the demo. It will just be my environment, and I will show them what it would look like if they were to use it in theirs. Then I went home, worked on the demo for a couple hours, prepared the flow, prepared the stories that I'm going to share, clicked every button to make sure nothing's going to crash, and I came in the next day and just killed it. Questions were going. Everything was just working perfectly. I showed them the value of the product and they were so happy with it. I walked out of that meeting with my account manager, ready to get the biggest compliments, the biggest pat on the back. Excellent job, Ramsey. Instead, he turns to me and says, Ramsey, this demo was only a few clicks. Couldn't you have done it yesterday? The gist of the story is, sales engineers do a lot of things that account managers don't know about. The same way account managers do a lot of things that SEs don't know about. I don't want to know about a lot of the things. But it's nice to be treated as partners. The more you treat your SE as a partner, the more you get out of them. So if I were to give one quick tip, is that treat your SEs as partners so that they can give you the best that they have and not just wait for your commands to do things for you. Listen to them and hopefully give them a little sales training so that they can be better at their job. If you like this, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to have a discussion with you. Follow me on YouTube and check out the podcast, We the Sales Engineers. And you'll learn a lot more about sales engineering and what it's like. There's a lot of complaints about salespeople in there, so be forewarned.